New numbers just uncovered by the I-Team show more COVID cases than we initially thought at the post office. Now, this is a story we've been following for weeks. Now we know just how many employees are affected. It is a story you will only see on 8 News Now. The I-Team's David Charnes is live outside the post office's central processing facility over on Sunset with what he found. David?
And Brian, we've just confirmed that there is a COVID case over at the Henderson post office, a first there. We're outside the facility where your mail is sorted before it gets to you. And we found with dozens of cases, more employees are getting sick here than anywhere else. Data obtained by the I-Team reveals more than 143 cases of COVID-19 at postal facilities across the valley. 115 cases confirmed, with 28 other cases listed as unconfirmed. The public records request breaks down outbreaks across the system, with at least 48 cases reported at the central processing facility on Sunset. There have been at least 16 more inside the administrative offices at the same location. At least 22 mail carriers have gotten sick, with clusters reported at least 14 post offices from East Las Vegas to Spring Valley to Summerlin. Since our first report about an 18-person COVID outbreak at the Sunset Center, several employees have contacted the I-Team, expressing concern about the spread. None wanted to talk on camera for fear of losing their job. Postmaster General Louis DeJoy briefly spoke about employees calling out sick during an August Senate hearing.
Also, Senator, our employees are experiencing the COVID pandemic also, and we have a significant issue in employee availability in many parts of the country that are also leading to delays in delivery and mail.
DeJoy told Congress a task force is keeping track of those outbreaks, but our request was forwarded to the Department of Labor, which investigates federal facilities.
When you come into a lobby, you'll see that we're limiting the number of customers in the facility.
Postal Service officials declined an interview, instead sharing these videos about required mask wearing and social distancing both inside their buildings and when your mail is delivered. And employees are required to wear masks when they're working with the public, but it's unclear if they're wearing them behind the scenes. We know that they're required to do that because of the mask mandate that the governor put into effect this summer. But some of those employees we talked to off camera say that that's not what they're seeing. Also important to point out that the first COVID case here, the same day the governor implemented that policy. We're live at Sunset in Paradise. I'm David Charnes, 8 News Now.